If you're looking for the best Coursera business courses ranked, this video is for you. I've ranked the top 3 business courses based on ratings, reviews, popularity, career value, and the reputation of the universities behind them. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. Let's jump into the rankings. At number 3 is Introduction to Business from the University of California, Irvine. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.7-star rating and covers business strategy, marketing, accounting, leadership, and financial planning. It's perfect if you're completely new to business. At number 2 is Business Strategy from the University of Virginia. It holds an impressive 4.8-star rating with nearly 5,000 reviews. You'll learn strategic planning, competitive analysis, business growth, and leadership skills that apply across many industries. My number 1 pick is Business Foundations from the University of Pennsylvania. This specialization has earned a 4.7-star rating with more than 27,000 reviews, making it one of the most trusted business programs on Coursera. It combines finance, marketing, operations, and management into one well-rounded learning path. If you only choose one business course, this is my top recommendation. So, which course should you choose? If you're a complete beginner, start with Introduction to Business. If you want to improve strategic thinking, choose Business Strategy. But if you're looking for the best overall business program, Business Foundations takes the number 1 spot. One more thing to consider is the cost. Individual learning programs typically cost around $49 to $79 per month. Buying several courses separately can become expensive over time. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, specializations, and professional certificates from over 350 top universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates and switch between courses without paying for each one individually. If you're planning to learn more than one business skill, Coursera Plus is the smarter investment. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.